We're going on an adventure. Let's go catch our flight. Pack your bags because we are taking you abroad. We're going to London, Scotland, and Dublin for the first time ever. We'll be checking out iconic landmarks, driving through the Highlands, hiking for the best views, and eating our way through the cities. We'd love to have you tag along. The time has come. We are on the bucket list Scotland trip.
It doesn't feel like we're on the trip yet. I'm still like I was literally working an hour ago. I'm still in work mode. I don't know what's happening.
We are so excited. We're at the airport. We're waiting to board our plane. And we are going to be in London tomorrow. London.
UK. Not Ontario.
Yeah, tell us, Luke, how you went to go look up the weather in London.
Yeah.
And he said
Ontario.
He's like, oh, Suzanne, it's going to be rainy. Damn it. And I looked at it and I was like, that says London, Ontario.
Who knew? Who knew? We're going to be the crazy people that walk around the airport now to get our steps in before we sit for 17 hours.
Yeah, we don't want blood clots, so let's go.
Yeah.
We survived the 8.5-hour flight from Calgary and we are officially in London and checked into our cute little hotel room. Luckily they let us do an early check-in. Let me show you. It's small. It's like Japan small. This is our bathroom. Look at that style. Love it. Really nice rain shower. We already freshened up and oops, sorry. And got to use it. Oh, so cute and trendy. And then we got Luke here already using the massage gun.
It's been a long day.
We didn't even walk that much, but we're feeling it already.
You know, just sitting on the airplane will do that, right? So,
oh God, I thought my legs were gonna fall off.
yeah, Susanna was very restless.
So we are gonna go explore the city, just do some walking around from our hotel and see what we get up to. We literally have 24 hours here in London before we have to catch the next flight to Edinburgh.
Yep.
So let's get all of the iconic places.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
No. I need coffee.
He needs a coffee.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll get some.
Let's get a coffee. Okay, knocking off one of the monuments, St. Paul's Cathedral.
The Queen lives here.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, I mean, the Queen's no longer
It's a castle.
with us.
Oh, rip. You're telling me the Queen doesn't live here? Look at that statue. Who is that then, huh? Alright, this plaque says it's a replica of the statue of Queen Anne in the year 1886. St. Paul's Cathedral is considered a historic landmark in London. It is where Prince Charles and Princess Diana got married in 1981. It is highly visited due to the history, beautiful carvings, and art installations inside. They also continue to offer Sunday church service every week. You do have to pay to visit the church as a tourist unless you're attending their regular service. St. Paul's Cathedral, checked off. Next, Borough Market.
I don't know that one. That's all I know.
He's my Google Maps over here, but sleepy Google Maps.
Sleepy.
He got his coffee.
Sleepy
Maybe he'll perk up
Google.
soon.
A sluggo.
Multiple people have told us to go to Gail's, which is a bakery. Pastries, coffee, and everything. Sourdough bread. So we're gonna have a little street snack. We got a sausage croissant and a chocolate almond croissant. Cool. Who is this guy enjoying without me?
Look at this deliciousness. It's an almond croissant with chocolate in it.
Yum.
Burg up.
That sounded so flaky and good.
Burg up.
Then I got a sausage roll. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Yum. Do I just bite that? Mmm. That's so good.
You gotta give me one of these.
Gail sausage roll.
Classic.
Luke says this is how you know when I really like something, because I point at it and go, mmm. I didn't realize I did that. Yep, I'm a fan. If you're a Harry Potter fan, we are on the bridge that the Death Eaters come down and do a big attack on the city's ministry. Wow, this is so pretty. I can't even tell what's in the shot right now. My eyes are being blinded.
Spin a bit more this way.
Do you go this way? Whoa! It's such a beautiful day. We are so lucky. Okay, the cool thing is that we're just like walking around the city. We have no idea what area of the city. And you just come across these like really trendy but historic streets.
It's almost like London has a lot of history.
A lot of history. It's like it's an old city or something.
I love it. It's so cool.
Okay, but one of the things, let me just turn this around, is like just this random old building. And Luke, tell us what this is.
So apparently these are the last remains of the Great Hall, which was made under a powerful Bishop of Winchester. Apparently it was built in the 12th century, and like this is all that's left of it.
These are ruins.
I don't know if that wall counts. And then they've kind of remade it as a garden now. And apparently these plants are popular plants in medieval times. So these would have been the plants that the bishops and like the kings and stuff would have had in their gardens, which is pretty cool.
So we found the Borough Market. It's crazy. There's just a bunch of food vendors. It smells really good and endless options.
Looks unreal.
We're gonna do a good walk around and see what we want and maybe get some dinner.
Heck yeah.
Funny story, we walked around trying to figure out what we wanted, and I guess it closes at 5 p.m. It is 5:06 p.m. at the Borough Market, meaning everything is done for the day. So I got lots of cool videos and clips of the delicious food. Cannot report if it actually is good or not.
We tried the mushroom risotto. We had a sample. That was delicious.
Yes, the truffle risotto was really good, but neither of us were really starving, so we didn't want something heavy. We were just walking around and seeing and maybe getting hungry as we waited. Wrong idea.
There's some fish and chips that said it's still open, so we could try that.
Yeah. But we'll keep walking around and see. Anyways, Borough Market, really hectic, crazy, lots of options. Closes at 5 p.m. on a Saturday. Tick. Another monument done.
Is that how you tick? Circle, bicycle.
I don't know how to do fancy editing or like check boxes, so this is what we get.
Monument
Tower Bridge.
Number 42.
Who knows where we're at and what order I'm going to put this in. So Tower Bridge, we saw it, we seen it. Are we going to walk it? Not sure.
Probably not.
No?
HMS Belfast is right there too. You should just like show them.
Okay, I don't know why Luke cares.
Monument number 6.
Can you please tell me the history? Like nobody knows what this is.
25 years at sea. It was in London in 1971.
The HMS Belfast.
Launched in 1936. World War II. This was in World War II. Piece of history right here, Susanna.
Did you just make all that up?
No, I'm reading it as like the signs are there. So I'm just pulling it up.
All right. Well, there's the HMS Belfast as well. Cool. Monument number 43.
It is a museum. You can go on and like tour around, but it's closed right now. So I think it's closed early on Saturday. It's only like 5:30. It's 6 o'clock.
We decided to walk Tower Bridge after all. Oh, they've opened the floodgates.
Wow,
Madness.
it's like a mad dash. Holy.
Madness. vibe of this city is always party.
It is party.
Either that or we're just in the party area or the touristy area.
I mean, we're on like a very historic landmark. I don't know.
I don't know, that screams party to me.
I guess.
We are on the side of the castle now. I cannot believe it. This man-made wharf was made in the 1390s. How old is that?
Really old.
This is crazy. Ooh. A little walking tour has been good. And we haven't spent any money on it. Other than like food.
But you know, yeah.
But like all of these like sightseeing and stuff.
Yeah, it's been awesome.
Budget.
Let's go check out the dude working out in the mountain.
Oh, Luke saw a dude working out and he's like interested.
I want to know how you get to have the privilege of working out in the moat.
Just let the guy work out in
Also,
peace.
this is going to be the best B-roll ever.
You better be there, Luke.
Button B-roll.
Oh my god. Bro. What?
It's a beef eater. I'm a beef eater.
Okay, Luke has new goals. He wants to be that guy surrounding the castle, doing his workout.
So.
Okay, Luke found out that they are ceremonial guard.
I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, but it's the Yeoman Warders of His Majesty's Royal Palace and Fortress of the Tower of London, properly known as the Beef Eaters. So they guard the tower, and they also conduct guides around the tower as well. But they look different than the normal guides. Like, this is their outfit. I don't know if you can see it.
No, not really. Sorry.
That's okay.
Well,
That's
that
cool. Okay,
explains why he has privileges
he's
to
allowed to
just
work
do
out
his
down
workout down there.
I'd work out there too. Looks like a great spot.
Could be you one day.
All right.
So it is 6:30 Saturday night, and we just got told it's closing in 15 minutes, and we need to get going.
I didn't know they closed this place.
So, note to self.
Oh, and all the delicious food trucks.
Oh. Alright, we are in a British pub. I had to get a Scotch egg and fish and chips and a Yorkshire pudding, which is coming, they said. This is quite the fry, or chips as they call it. I feel like it's fried in like duck fat. I have no idea if you'll be able to hear anything. Bless you.
Sorry.
I have no idea if you'll hear anything that I said in that last pub that we were in. It was so loud. There was a soccer game and music and a speaker right above us, and we're old.
Blasted Doctor Who. Once the soccer game was over, it's like a quintessential English thing.
But essentially, if you can't hear, loved everything. Fish and chips, delicious batter. It was haddock, really good. Didn't like the mushed peas. That was just tasted like freezer burned mashed up peas. Their tartar sauce was really good. The Yorkshire pudding, I think tomorrow we're gonna have a traditional Sunday roast, which comes with like the roast beef and everything, which would be the, no pun intended, gravy on top. But the gravy was actually really good tonight. And Scotch egg. Can you Google what is a Scotch egg?
It's like deep fried egg wrapped in like
meat.
Yeah.
I know, but like what kind of meat? Because I actually really like it, and a lot of people told me that I might not, and like it's a acquired taste. But like I am the egg queen. I don't know that I've met an egg that I don't like. So I'm not surprised that I love it.
It's wrapped in sausage meat, coated in breadcrumbs, and baked or deep fried.
How do you not love that?
Yeah, it's freaking delicious.
I hope I can have another one before we end off this trip. We're exhausted. My watch said I did like 15,000 steps. Yours said 18,000. We're somewhere around there. My feetsies hurt. We're going to go to bed, and tomorrow have another like go day in London before we have to catch our flight to Edinburgh.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can sleep tonight with the jet lag and everything. See what happens.
I'm pretty tired, so
I'm pretty
I think
tired.
I will.
Yeah.
We didn't sleep very well on the plane, so hopefully we'll just jump onto this London time zone.
I don't know if we mentioned it, but I think we got like 3 hours of sleep on the plane.
This is the thing. I think we did, but we are so delulu that we don't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.